Whoa! Did you know a giant wave taller than a building can come out of nowhere? And it all starts with Earth shaking deep under the ocean. Let's dive into the world of underwater earthquakes, massive tsunamis. Before we splash into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more brain-blasting facts every week. What is an earthquake? Okay, imagine Earth is like a big jigsaw puzzle. These plates float on gooey hot rock deep inside Earth. Sometimes they bump, grind, or slide past each other. And boom, an earthquake happens. When it happens under the ocean floor, called submarine earthquake, the sea can suddenly jerk upward or downward like flipping a giant tray of water. And guess what? What that does, it pushes a huge wall of water up. How does tsunami form? Well, that giant water push creates waves called a tsunami that rush through the ocean. But here's the tricky part. Out in the deep ocean, these waves are super fast, but not very tall. So you may not even notice. But as they get closer to the shore, the ocean gets shallower, the waves slow down, but grows bigger and taller. What happens during a tsunami? One spooky warning sign is when the water suddenly pulls away from the beach. If that happens, run to high ground. A giant wave is coming. Tsunami can destroy buildings, flood towns, and even cause big damage. But thanks to scientists, we now have tsunami warning systems that can help us save lives. With tsunami in history, let's look at some of the biggest tsunamis ever recorded. 2004, Indian Ocean tsunami, caused by 9.1 magnitude earthquakes near Indonesia. Over 230,000 people lost their lives. It hit countries like Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand. Waves were up to 30 meters, 100 feet tall. In 2011, Japan tsunami, caused by a 9.0 earthquake off the coast of Japan, triggered a nuclear power plant disaster at Fukushima. More than 15,000 people died. 1755, Lisbon tsunami started with an earthquake in the Atlantic Ocean, hit Portugal, Spain, and parts of Africa. Lisbon was almost completely destroyed. Brain blast wrap up. So next time you go to the beach, remember there's a whole world of movement under those waves. Stay curious, stay safe, and keep blasting your brain with awesome facts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.